Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Adding a table of contents to your Word document is like giving your readers a map to navigate your content, so they can see at a glance what it covers and easily jump to the sections they need. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a table of contents to make your Word documents more organized. Let's go. Before you create a table of contents, you must apply heading styles to the necessary titles, so Word can automatically identify the different sections of your document that should be included. Word has built-in heading styles that you can readily use. Start by identifying the main parts of your document, such as chapters or sections, and choose the appropriate heading style from the Home tab. To create a visual hierarchy within your table of contents, assign some sections as heading 1, others as heading 2, and so on. While Word's default heading styles are convenient, they can change the look of your text. To keep your original formatting, you can create custom heading styles instead. Highlight the text you want to include in your table of contents. Click the More button in the Styles panel and choose Create a Style. Give it a unique name and click Modify. Select a style based on existing headings like Heading 1 and Heading 2 to determine the hierarchy level. Make sure Style for Following Paragraph is set to the new style you just created. Repeat these steps to create custom styles for each section you want to include in your table of contents. This allows your text to retain its original style while still being recognized for the table of contents. After you create your own custom heading styles, apply them to all existing titles in your document. With your headings and subheadings in place, you are ready to create the table of contents. First, place your cursor where you want the table to appear in your document. Then head to the References tab and click Table of Contents. For a quick and easy solution, choose one of the automatic table of contents styles. If you prefer another, click Custom Table of Contents to personalize your table. Here, you can decide whether to display page numbers, how to align them, and even choose other tab leader style. You can also choose the overall look of your table and how many levels you want to include, such as just headings or headings and subheadings. Finally, click OK to save your changes. Once you've chosen or created your table of contents, it will populate with all your headings and subheadings along with their page numbers. But remember, if you make changes to your document like adding or removing sections, changing titles, or messing with page breaks, your table of contents won't update itself. To do this, just go to the page with your table of contents, select it, and click Update Table. If the only changes were to page numbers, choose Update Page Numbers Only. In case you've made bigger changes to the text, select Update Entire Table. Then, click OK to finalize the changes, and your table of contents should now be updated. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.